If you're here, it's probably because your Messenger chat hits or bubbles are not showing up on your Android device. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'll walk you through some easy steps to get those chat hits back on your screen. Let's dive in. First, make sure that Messenger has all the necessary permissions. Open your device's settings, scroll down and select Messenger. Now, tap on Permissions or Notifications. On Permission, make sure all permissions, especially draw over other apps or appear on top, are enabled. Alright, if all permissions are correctly set but you're still facing issue, let's move on to the next step. Next, let's check if chat hits are enabled within the Messenger app. Open the Messenger app. Tap on the three horizontal bars. Now go to Settings. Scroll down and find Chat Hit. Ensure that Chat Hits is toggled on. Now that we have Chat Hits enabled, let's make sure your device's settings support them. Sometimes the issue can be with the overall device settings for displaying apps over others. Go to Settings again, and on Apps and Notifications, tap on the three-dot menu or Advanced Settings, select Special Access and click on Display over other apps. If Messenger is allowed to display over other apps and you're still facing issue, there might be a glitch that a simple restart can fix. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.